I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by cleaning the Excel file so SPSS reads it predictably. Remove merged cells and extra header rows. Keep one header row with short variable names because SPSS uses them as variable labels. Once done, convert dates to YIMMDD and ensure numeric columns contain only numbers so SPSS assigns numeric type. Save a copy as XLSX or export to CSV if you have mixed locales. Make sure you record any missing value codes, like 999, so you can map them during import. You now import the cleaned file into SPSS and immediately check variable view. Use File Open Data for Excel or File Read Text Data for CSV. Follow the wizard and verify the header row detection. Once loaded, go to Variable View and set each column's type, width, decimals, and measurement level because those affect analyzes. Recode textual categories to numeric codes and assign value labels, and explicitly set missing value codes so SPSS treats them correctly during computations and frequencies. Finish by validating data with frequencies and descriptives to spot outliers or mistyped entries. Visually scan cases for alignment issues. Once confident, save the dataset as an SPSS. File and export a codebook that documents variable labels, value labels, and missing codes so future work is reproducible. If something goes wrong, first check encoding and Excel locale settings. Decimal separators and special characters often break imports. Then correct in Excel and re-import. This fixes most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.